Okay, so now today's lecture is going on. That is the topic inflorescence. Okay, actually it is the Greek word inflorescence, and meaning is what? Arrangement of flowers. Arrangement of flowers on reproductive shoot. Reproductive shoot is called inflorescence. Means whatever the natural cluster of flowers or group of natural flowers which are produced or developed on a reproductive shoot, and such type of arrangement of flowers on reproductive shoot is called inflorescence. reproductive shoot वर वेगवेगळ्या फ्लावर मध्ये वेगवेगळे फ्लावरची अरेंजमेंट असते रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह शूट वर. ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोझिशन ऑफ डिफरंट फ्लावर्स ऑन अ रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह शूट, such type of arrangement of natural flowers or natural cluster of flowers on reproductive shoot is called inflorescence. This is the definition of inflorescence. Inflorescence is the Greek word and actual meaning is what? That is the arrangement of flowers on reproductive shoot. Now, this inflorescence also called as anthotaxy. Anthotaxy. Okay, this inflorescence also known as what? Anthotaxy. It is also the Greek word. It consists of two main words. One is anthos. Anthos. And other word is what? That is the taxus. Taxus is what? That is the arrangement. And anthos means flower. Anthos means flowers. Okay. So the branch of botany which deals with the study of arrangement of flowers on reproductive shoot is called anthotaxy. Maybe asked in an examination for one mark. Define the anthotaxy or define the inflorescence. So, what is the definition of anthotaxy? That is the arrangement of flower on reproductive shoot is called anthotaxy. Okay. Now, the different flowers develop or produce on reproductive shoot in a different manners or in a different position in a different forms. Okay, the best example is what? China rose असेल तुमचा. China rose मध्ये जर बघितलं तर फ्लावर कुठे प्रोड्यूस झालेले at the apical, at the deep region of the reproductive shoot. In case of your rose plant, गुलाबाचं जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर गुलाबाचं जे फ्लावर आहे ते रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह शूट वर कुठं प्रोड्यूस झालेलं आहे? Also at the apical region or at the tip of the reproductive shoot. Then other example is what? That is तुमचं मोगरा पण at the tip region ला reproductive shoot च्या प्रोड्यूस होतं. But in case of do you know the mustard plant, मोहरीचं प्लांट सगळ्याला माहिती. मोहरीच्या प्लांट मध्ये कशी अरेंजमेंट आहे फ्लावरची? That flower produced at the lateral sides of the central axis or the main axis. This is the central axis or reproductive shoot, and these two arms, what? That is the produce the lateral flowers. Okay, so on the position of the flowers on a reproductive shoot, so this anthotaxy or inflorescence classified into two main types. How many types? Two main types. Okay. So in that the first type is this inflorescence or anthotaxy, which is classified on the basis of position of flowers on reproductive shoot. Okay, so different reproductive shoot produce the different flowers in a different patterns. Okay, so in that the first type is what? That is the racemose type. Racemose type of inflorescence. And another type of the inflorescence is what? Cymose type of inflorescence. and those type of inflorescence. Now we will discuss one by one. And then the first one is what? That is which type? Racemose type of inflorescence. Okay. Now the best example of the racemose is a mustard plant. Or another example is gold mower or bull mower. Okay. Now this racemose type of inflorescence, it is also the Greek word. Racemose, also known as indefinite, or continuous growing point. That is the racemose. Means in the racemose type of inflorescence, it is also known as what? Indefinite type of inflorescence. Why called the indefinite type of inflorescence to the racemose inflorescence? Because of, suppose this is the central axis, these two my arms is what? Lateral flowers. Okay. But in racemose type of inflorescence, the stem or the main axis is continuously in growing conditions. Because of what? Because there is no any flower produced at the tip or apical region. म्हणजे हेडवर रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह शूटच्या सेंट्रल ॲक्सिसला किंवा मेन ॲक्सिसच्या टिपवर फ्लावर प्रोड्यूस होत नाही. इथं स्टेम मेन ॲक्सिसची किंवा रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह शूटची किंवा अपायकल पोर्शन दे इज नॉट चेक आउट. म्हणजे तिथे त्याची ग्रोथ स्टॉप होत नाही. त्याला म्हणायचं इनडेफिनिट. व्हॉट? इनडेफिनिट टाइप ऑफ racemose because they produce the lateral flowers. They produce the lateral flowers. Now see these diagrams. This is the reproductive shoot. These are the nodes and internodes. Now in case this is the pedicel and this is the flowers. Now see this diagram. They show the such type racemose type of inflorescence. Now in this type of inflorescence, at the base, this is the basal part of the inflorescence and this is the apical part. Okay, this is the main axis or reproductive stem. Okay, now this is the main axis or central axis which is continuously in growing conditions, and the lateral flowers are produced at the lateral sides. Okay, so it is called as what? Indefinite type of inflorescence. Okay, now means the central axis is continuously in growing conditions. That is the one point, and another is the main point is what? At the basal part, at the base of the inflorescence, the larger flower is present. Okay, large flower, mature, complete, mature, then complete. Means each and every part, that may be calyx, corolla, androecium and calycium. Each and every part is completely or fully developed. Okay, so that is known as what? Complete. Then large, mature, complete, and opening is initial. First opening from basal flower. आधी बेसच्या फ्लावरची ओपनिंग होणार. आधी बेसचं फ्लावर ओपन होणार म्हणजे ते फ्लावर कसं असणार? लार्ज असणार, मॅच्युअर असणार, कंप्लीट असणार. ओके, सो द ओपनिंग ऑफ द फ्लावर फ्रॉम बेस म्हणजे रेसिमोस टाइप मध्ये फ्लावर, मॅच्युअर फ्लावर, कंप्लीट फ्लावर, लार्ज फ्लावर कुठे आहे? बेसला आहे. अँड व्हॉट अबाउट द अपेक्स? बघा डायग्राम मध्ये दिसतो. लार्जर फ्लावर compared to that. Now the example, the best example of the racemose type of inflorescence, one is the gold mower and another is the cassia fistula. In Marathi that called what? That is the bahava. Okay, it is both the plant present in our college campus. So I will take this example. example. So in that, see this. Okay, the cassia fistula in this. This is the reproductive shoot, and at the base there is a complete mature and large flower present at the base. Okay, now the apex there is a immature, incomplete and small flowers are present. Such type of arrangement is known as what? That is the racemose. Okay, means opening of flower base to apex. It is also called as basipetal succession. What? Basipetal succession. Opening from base to apex. That is known as what? Basipetal succession. Now the next example, that is the gold moor. Gold moor, Caesarpinia pulcherima, it is the botanical name. Okay, in this plant, the flower, arrangement of flower, that is a racemose type of. Okay, now see this, at the base there is a complete, fully matured, large flower at the base, and at the apical region there is a bud condition. Now see this. Okay, this is a larger bud, then smaller. Okay, so such type of, again in this plant also, this shows the opening is what? Base to apex. That is the basipetal succession. That is the process which is occurred in this opening of the flower from base to apex, and such type of arrangement is called racemose type of inflorescence.